Here, exercise 5.4. First question: which term of AP 121, 117, and 113, and so on is its negative term? So here, first of all, the given sequence is 121, 117, 113, and so on. So if you observe here, the first term A is equal to 121 and the common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1. Here A2 is 117 minus A1 is 121. So if you observe, if you subtract 117 from 121, 117 from 121, you will get 4 as the answer. So here negative to the bigger number, so you will get minus 4. That's why the common difference is minus 4 here. Now we have to find which term of AP is negative. So which term is negative? Here we know that the general form of an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d here. Now, so here an is equal to a is nothing but 121 plus n minus 1 into d is minus 4. If you multiply with the minus 4, you will get a plus half or minus gives you minus 4n, n into 4, 4n, minus half minus plus 4 ones are 4 here. So 121 plus 4, 125 minus 4n. This is an. So we have to find out negative terms. That means assume that an is a negative. That means an must be less than 0. An must be less than 0. So here we know the value of an 125 minus 4n is less than 0. So if you transfer 4n to that side, 125 less than plus 4n. So n is greater than 125 by 4. 4 ones are 4 threes are 12. 4 ones are 4. So 0.2. One remains 1, but if you put the point, then it becomes 10. 4 2s are 8. There is a point, that's why it is a 20. Or 5s are 20. So n is equal to, n is greater than 31.25. So n is greater than 31.25. So the integer after 31.25 is n is equal to 32. So here the 32nd term is a negative term. That's it. Here the second question is the sum of the third term and the seventh term of AP is 6 and their product is 8. Find the sum of first 16 terms. First of all, given that sum of third term and the seventh term. So here the third term, that means a3 is equal to a plus n minus 1. That means 3 minus 1. That means 2d. This is the third term. And seventh term. That means a7 is equal to a plus n minus 1. 7 minus 1 gives you 6. So 6d. So these are the third term and the seventh terms of the given sequence. So here clearly mentioned that the sum of the third and the seventh terms of AP is 6. Given that A3 plus A7 is equal to 6. Here A3 is A plus 2D plus A7 is A plus 6D is equal to 6. So A plus A, 2A plus 2D plus 6D, 8D is equal to 6. If you take 2 common, A plus 4D is equal to 6. 2 into a, 2a, 2 4s are 8 into d, 8d. So here if you transfer 2 to the RHS side, a plus 4d is equal to 6 by 2. 2 1s are 2 3s are. So a plus 4d is equal to 3. A is equal to 3 minus 40. This is the value of a here. Now, and also given that their product is 8, and also given that a3 into a7 is equal to 8. So here a3 is again a plus 2d into a7 is a plus 6d, that is equal to 8. Here we know the value of a, substitute 3 minus 4d instead of a, so 3 minus 4d plus 2d into here also 3 minus 4d plus 6d is equal to 8 here. Now 3 minus 4d plus 2d gives you minus 2d. Here also 3 minus 4d plus 6d gives you plus 2d is equal to 8 here. So if you observe clearly, it is the form of a plus b into a minus b. We know the formula for a plus b into a minus b. Then here you will get a square minus b square 2d whole square. So a plus b into a minus b gives you a square minus b square, that is equal to 8 here. So 3 3s are 9 minus, so here 2d whole square. 2d whole square means 4d square is equal to 8 minus 4d square is equal to 8 minus 9. So here minus 4d square is equal to 8 minus 9 gives you minus 1. Minus minus cancel here. 4d square is equal to 1. D square is equal to 1 by 4. Then d is equal to square root of 1 by 4. It will gives you 1 by 2. So here the value of d, the common difference is 1 by 2. Now substitute the value of d in a3. Then you will get the value of a. So a3 is equal to, wait, here the first 16 terms. So we can easily find the substitute. Let it be equation 1. So now substitute d value in equation 1. Then you will get a value. So a is equal to 3 minus 4d. That means 1 by 2. 2 1s are 2 2s are. So 3 minus 2. Then a is equal to 1. Now we can easily find out the sum of the first 16 terms. So clearly you know the formula for sum of n terms. Here the sum of n terms, Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So we have to find the sum of 16 terms. That means S16 is equal to 16 by 2 into here a is 1 plus n minus 1 into 16 minus 1 into d is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. So here 2 1s are 2 8s are 8 into 2 1s are 2 plus 15 into 1 by 2. Here 8 into, if you observe 2 plus 15 by 2 will be there. So here if you take LCM, 2 will be the denominator, 2 2s are 4 plus 15. Now 8 into 4 plus 15 gives you 19 by 2. 2 1s are 2 4s are, so 4 into 19. So 9 4s are 36. 4 1s are 4 plus 3 7. So 76 is the sum of the first 16 terms. That's it. So this is a here another possibility is also there. That is, here we assume that only 1 by root 2. It is a plus or minus. That means d is equal to minus 1 by 2 also existed. When d is equal to minus 1 by 2, what will be the sum of 16 terms? We have to calculate it also. So now I am rubbing all of this. When d is equal to 1 by 2. So here a is equal to 3 minus 14. So this is the equation number 1. So a is equal to 3 minus 4 into minus 1 by 2. So 2 1s are 2 2s are 3 minus of minus plus 2, it will gives you 5. So a is equal to 5 here. Now we have to find sum of 16 terms when d is equal to minus 1 by 2 and a is equal to 5. We know that Sn, that means sum of n terms is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here S16 is equal to 16 by 2 into a is 5 plus n minus 1 into, that means 16 minus 1 into d is minus 1 by 2. So 2 1s are 2 8s are 8 into 2 5s are 10 plus 15 plus or minus. So minus 15 by 2 here. Now 8 into, if you take LCM, 2 will be the denominator, 2 10s are 20 minus 15, that is equal to 8 into 5 by 2. 2 1s are 2 4s are, so 4 into 5, that is equal to 20. So when d is equal to 1 by 2, Sn is equal to 76. When d is equal to minus 1 by 2, Sn is equal to 20. So these are the answers. That's it. The third question is, a ladder has ruts 25 centimeters apart. The ruts decreases uniformly in length from 45 centimeters at the bottom and 25 centimeters at the top. If the top and bottom ruts are 2.5 meters apart, what is the length of the wood required for the ruts? So here there is a ladder which is in the shape of in this way. So here the length of the bottom is 45 centimeters first rung, and the length of the last rung is 25 centimeters. So here the distance between each rung is 25 centimeters. But here clearly given that the length from last rung to the first rung is 2.5 meters here. This is the given. So now here given that the ladder has ruts 25 centimeters apart, and distance between top and bottom ruts are 2.5 meters. So here clearly we have to transfer 2.5 meters to the centimeters. Then we have to multiply 2.5 into 100. Then it will be completely converted into the centimeters. Then 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5 by 2 into 100. 2 1s are 250. That is equal to 250 centimeters. This is the length of the top rung to the bottom rung. Now here number of ruts. Ruts are nothing but the steps. So number of ruts is equal to total length by the distance between each rung. So here the total length is 250 by the distance between each rung is 25 plus 1 part also here. Now, because here the length of the total ladder. So now here 25 ones are 25 ends are. So 10 plus 1, that is equal to 11. So this is the number of rugs here. Now what is the length of the wood required for the rug? So here we have the length of the first rug, that is 45 centimeters, and length of the last rug L is equal to 25 centimeters, and we have N is equal to 11. Now we can easily find out the total length. So Sn is equal to N by 2 into A plus L. So the first term and last terms are given. So here S11 we have to find. So 11 by 2 into, here A is 45 plus N is 25. Then 11 by 2 into 45 plus 25 gives you 70. 2 ones are 2 35. So 11 into 35. So if you multiply 35 with 11, you will get 385. So S11 is equal to 385. This is the length of the wood that required to build a rugs. That's it. The fourth question is the houses of a row are numbered consecutively from 1 to 49. Here the sequence is 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on 49. Show that there is a value of x such that the sum of the number of the houses preceding the house number x is equal to the sum of the number of the houses following it. Find this value of x here. So first of all, solution. First of all, the number of first of all, the sum of number of houses preceding the house x is equal to x minus 1. So according to the question, clearly he has given that x minus 1 is equal to S49 minus Sx. So this is the clearly given condition in the question. So here Sx, we know the general form of Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So we use it here. So here x minus 1, that means n by 2 into, so x minus 1 by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into, so n minus 1. So here n is x minus 1 minus 1 into d is equal to S49. So 49 by 2 into 2a plus n minus, so here n is a 49 minus 1 into d minus, so here x by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1, that means x minus 1 into d. This is the form we get. So here we know that the sequence is 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on 49. Here the common difference is 1 and the first number is 1. Here a is equal to 1 and the common difference is d is equal to 1. So substitute a value and d value in the given condition. Then you will get x minus 1 by 2 into 2a, that means 2 into 1 plus x minus 1 gives you x minus 2 into here d, that means 1 again, is equal to 49 by 2 into 2 into 1 plus 49 minus 1 gives you 48 into 1. It will give you 48 minus of x by 2 into a 2 into 1 2 plus x minus 1 into 1, that means x minus 1. Now here if you multiply x minus 1 into now 2 ones are 2 plus x minus 2 by 2 here, that is equal to, because 1x 1 into minus 2 minus 2. So here 49 by 2 into, so 2 ones are 2 plus 48 gives you 50 minus, here also x by 2, that means x into 2 plus x minus 1 by 2. So now x minus 1 into, here 2 plus 2 minus 2 will be cancelled here, then x remains, x minus 1 into x by 2 is equal to, now 49 into 50 by 2 minus, here also if you do cancellation, x 2 minus 1 gives you 1, so 1 plus x by 2. So here if you take LCM, then x into x square minus x into minus 1 minus x by 2 is equal to, LCM is 2 here, 49 into 50 minus of x into 1 minus x minus of plus again minus x into x square. So here 2 will be cancelled. So if you transfer these terms to the LHS side, first of all write x square minus x is equal to 49 into 50 minus, if you multiply 49 into 50, I will do it 49 into 50, 5 9s 45, 5 4s 20, 20 plus 4 24, 2450. So 2450 here, 2450. So 45. That's it. So minus x, minus x. If you transfer all terms to the LHS side except 2450, it becomes x square minus x plus x square plus x is equal to 2450. Here minus x plus x will be cancelled. X square gives you 2x square is equal to 2450 here. X square is equal to 2450 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 4. Again 2 2s are 4 and 2 5s are. So you will get x square is equal to 1225. So x is equal to square root of 1225. So x is equal to, we can write 1225 as the 35 squares. So 35 squares, because 5 is 35, 3 4 is 12. So square root cancel, x is equal to 35. So the 35th term will be the x value. That's it. First question is a small terrace aka football ground comprises of 15 steps each, which is 15 meters long and built of a solid concrete. Each step has a rise to 1 by 4 meters and a thread of 1 by 2 meters. Calculate the total volume of a concrete. Here hint is given. Volume of the concrete required to build the first step is 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 into 50 meter cube. From the figure we can say that the width of first step, the width of first step is equal to 1 by 2, and the width of second step is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, it will gives you 1, and the width of third step, so 1 by 2 plus 1 gives you 3 by 2. So this is the width of the steps. So here the volume of first step, here the length is 1 by 4 into, and width is first one is 1 by 2, it's length, width, the height is 50, so here 50. Now clearly 2 ones are 2 25s, 25 by 4 here. Say the volume of second step, that is equal to, here we use 1 instead of 1 by 2, that is equal to 15. So again 2 ones are 2 25s, so 25 by 2. Same the volume of third step is equal to 1 by 4 into, here we use 3 by 2, that is into 15, that is equal to 2 ones are 2 25s. So 25 3 is 75 by 4, 75 by 4 here. Now clearly, 75 by 4. Clearly the sequence is first of all 25 comma 4 comma 25 comma 2 comma 75 comma 4 and so on. Here the first term a is equal to 25 by 4, and the common difference b is equal to a2 minus a1. Here a2 is 25 by 2 minus a1 is 25 by 4. If you take LCM, 4 will be the LCM, 2 to the 4, 2 25 50 minus 25, that is equal to 25 minus 50 minus 25 gives you 25 by 4. So the common difference d is equal to 25 by 4 here. Now sum of here you have to find the 15 steps, so that's why S15 is equal to n by 2 into, so 15 by 2 into 2a, that means 2 into, here a is 25 by 4, 25 by 4 into plus n minus 1 into, that means 15 minus 1 into, here d is 25 by 4, so we have to calculate it. So 15 by 2 into 2 ones are 2 twos are, so 25 by 2 plus here 14 into 25 by 4, here also 2 twos are 2 sevens. Clearly 15 by 2 into, if you take LCM 2 25 plus 7 25, sir. So here 25 sevens are 200 you will get, so 25 sevens 175, so 175 plus 25 gives you 200. Then here 15 by 2 into 200 by 2, 2 ones are 200s. Now 15 by 15 into 100 by 2, 2 ones, 2 7.5, so 7.5 into 100 you will get 750. So this is the 750 meter cube. This is the volume of the concrete to build the steps. That's it.